Dear students, so today we will learn that how to download the Weka from the website, and then we will also go for how it works. After installation, you will see that how it works. So there are two websites. You can go for this website, source.forge, right? Or the most authentic website is this one, weka.com.softonic, right? So you can download it from either of the websites. Since I have already downloaded it, it's a free, so you can like use it, right? So once you download it, so installation will be in process. And after the next step, so you need to press a few next, and then after that one it will be downloaded. So there are different versions for different Mac operating system, and as well as for the Windows operating system, so you can choose accordingly. So after you have done this one installation, so after downloading and all these things, so you can go for installation, and all if all this has been done, then you will see a bird sign which is called a this bird sign will be appearing to you. So yeah, so this kind of interface will be looking into. So I already uploaded one of the data set, very popular data set, which is called the iris data set. So there is a website, you can have a lot of data sets. So I have already sent this to you. So you can see over here contact lens data set, you have a CPU data set, you have a diabetes data set, glass data set, iris data set. So for testing purpose, I just click the iris popular data set, and even you don't need to download it, if or you can download as well, save as, and then when you save as, so it will be you need to store as a ARRF extension. So you can see over here the ARFF extension. So this is the particularness of the Weka, that whenever you want to run any algorithm on that one, the file, the data must be in this extension. That is important, right? So you can save it, and then you can utilize it later on. Okay, so in case if you don't want to save it, you just copy the link, right? And then you can paste here, for example. And there are a few tags, tabs over here, the pre-processing tab. If you want to apply classification algorithm, you can apply that one. If you want to apply cluster algorithms on your data, you can apply that one. You can have like an association algorithm, you can also apply it. Even if you want to have some selective attributes, you can also apply it, and this is for visualization. So these are the few tabs in Weka, and it's very handy. And this was developed by a Waikato University in the New Zealand. So I just copied the link. Okay, so they have options. If you want, if you have already stored on your desktop somewhere, you can drag your file, or there is a very easy options which is called this one. So you just copy paste the link over here, and the data will be over here, right? So this is the data, you have it. Now in case if you want to this automatically tells you that what is the minimum value of this data, what is the maximum value, what is the mean value, what is the standard deviation. So it calculates the basic statistics, which we call as a descriptive analysis, or EDA in short we call it, right? So these are the data, we have it. Now we can see that let's apply this classification algorithm. So I already applied that one, but you can use this one for the training purpose. You can select this option, you can select this option, or but usually for training the data we use this one. And then when I apply it, so I got some results over here, and when this bird is stopped over here, that means your algorithm is done. So it will give you similar kind of result, which results which Python also give you, the confusion matrix, which is very popular for us, and it give us false positive, false negative, true positive, true negative. So all these value will be given, and different rates. Okay, accuracy rates is also given over here, and this is the summary of all the results we have in it, right? And moreover, time taken, like for example, it just took 0.23 seconds for all this thing. And moreover, these are like some more information about the licensing, or about the links of the Weka. So moreover, then if you want to apply the clustering one, so let's try this one. I hope this works. Yeah, so it's working. So it has created 4 different clusters. Okay, so you can see over here we have 4 cluster instances, and with 32%, 33%, 19%, and 15%. So it means that these attributes, they have similar values with respect to the Euclidean distances, or with respect to the Manhattan distances, and these have similar values, and these have similar values, right? You can see over here the classification about like how they have made the cluster. So with respect to the sepal length, with respect to the sepal width, petal length and petal width, so these are like the properties and attributes of the flower. So we have done this one. So, and moreover, if you want to have some a priori algorithm, so you can also like make your hand dirty with that one. Secondly, like these are special attributes. If you want to select certain attribute for best fit, right, you can also this one, and this is for the visualization. So this is the short intro of the Weka, that how Weka works. Okay, so we can try some another algorithm. Let's try with another one for you. This one, like contact lenses, let's suppose. Okay, connection is, let's see how it works. Okay, let me refresh my connection. So after refreshing, we got this data, and let's feed it into the Weka system. So we say open URL, whatever the data inside it, we just like copy the contact lens data set. And now you see the contact lens data set has been updated, and say spectacle present, the age of the person, astigmatism, tear prod rate, and contact lenses, right? So these are like the data about the young people pre-presbyotic, and this one is presbyopic, right? So these are like information related to the eye disease, like myopic and diseases over here. And then if you want to apply it, let's classify and use some different algorithm this time. Yeah, let's see, we have like lazy algorithms, we have function algorithm, we have Basel algorithm. Yeah, let's try, this is very popular one. Let's try if it is working. So now you see the bird is like it must be moving, and then when we see the output, it must be trained. So yeah, let's see, this is the result, we have it. We hope that this result is as per our expectation. Yeah, you can see this is the lens data, and the result has been generated. Okay, and after the result has been generated, we can see over here the confusion matrix, the false positive rates, true positive rates, and precision. We see also, we see the recall value, we see the precision and F measure. So the good thing in this Weka is that one, the coding is minimized over here, and it's easy to like to implement any data. You just need to data, and you need to select the algorithms, right? And similarly for trees, if you want to apply like random forest, right? Okay, random tree or J45 is also a very popular one. So let's see, uh, it will have some decision with respect to the trees as well. Okay, this is another algorithm. So let's try the another one, cluster algorithm. Let's see how it works, the cluster algorithms. So here it created two cluster. In the previous example, in the iris example, it created this four cluster, but here it created two cluster with us. See, so this is all about the Weka. So I hope you like it, and you will practice on it, and you will learn the different, like the features in the Weka. So see you, take care.